seamlessly generate ABAP code and corresponding technical unit test cases. Let's have a quick look at how it works. Sign in and select your account type to get started. Select the project you want to work on. Click on Create New Object and fill in the details. Upload your TDS document and click Generate. Within a few moments, your code will be generated. View all the events and make changes as needed. Select your preferred version of the generated code. Select the code and provide your instructions to refine and enhance it further. Click on Regenerate and set your custom preferences. You can also regenerate the entire version. Additionally, you can rerun all the events. Use SasaChat to perform tasks such as optimizing code, reviewing code, and regenerating code. Proceed to view the completed code. View the code explainability to understand its structure and functionality. Preview the detailed error report. Click on Compare and select the codes you wish to compare. Once you have your desired code, proceed to generate the TUT. You can regenerate the test cases according to your preferences. Also, add new test cases as needed. Once you have your desired test cases, you can download them and mark the object as complete.